Today's episode is Classic Caillou gets Caillou grounded/grounded.
I can't believe I'm grounded still for flipping Miss Martin off. Even though my mom took my electronics away. Now I have nothing. What can I do to get revenge? I know. I will get a Caillou costume and get Caillou grounded by writing a swear word on the bathroom mirror. This will be funny. Ha 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 ha. Let's put this suit on. Ha 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 ha. Yes! I am Caillou now. Let's go to the bathroom. Let's write the yes word. Ha 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 ha. Now I got to get out of here before I get caught. Who wrote the swear word on the mirror? Caillou, Caillou, Caillou. Get your butt over here right now. What is it, Dad? Did you write this swear word on the mirror? No, I did not do it. Liar, 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 liar. You did do it. I saw the security cameras. I did not do it. I swear. Caillou. How dare you write a swear word on my mirror? That costs a lot of money. Thanks to you, dumbfounder. That's it. You're grounded for 3 months. Go to your room now. There's no way I did that. Who got me grounded? Wait a minute. It was that bald-headed classic Caillou who got me grounded. I am grounding him. Ah ha 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 ha. It is so funny that Caillou got grounded. No, it was not. Classic Caillou. How dare you get me grounded for writing a swear word on the bathroom mirror? That's it. You're grounded for a long, long time. Get in bed now.